morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Friday. Trying to get this week back on track. See if maybe we can go ahead and put a dent in the damage that we've done. I don't know if that's technically the right way we want to use it, but you know what I'm saying. Definitely want to try and, took some big losses this week. 4-day lose streak since last Friday. Snapped it yesterday, so we're hoping we could go ahead and get a chance to go ahead and move in on a nice trade right now. See what it gives us. Yeah, we got a few minutes now until news drop at 5:30. You can see price is kind of rejecting the 5-minute 50 EMA. Personally, I'd like to get in right here. If we don't see it, if we just see it fall off from here, that's a real possibility as well. So we'll see what happens in between. I'm not really going to try and rush any trades. Reason being, if we were to get in right here, we would have 52 pips right here, but I think there's some space here, so we'll see if the market gives us an opportunity. US30 is actually a little bit better to me. It's the same type of setup, right? But the one thing that I see here is that this low broke this low, right? And this high didn't break this high. So we drew out the Fibonacci, and you can see right here, just drawing out the Fibonacci. I like this one as well. So there's a few areas of interest right here. The only thing I'm worried about is if we see a push up, because both of these plays on the day, they look a little bullish, if I'm just being honest. So you can kind of see here, it does look a little bullish. I know you can't see with everything, I don't want to delete it yet, but you can see that we're getting a lot of rejections down here. So we might see a play down and then a push up. It's all possible right now. But I think we do need to see some type of pullback, but I could be wrong, but I think we do need to see some type of pullback, maybe to the daily 50 EMA, where we could go ahead and figure some things out. We do have some big news coming in the next 2 minutes. Whoops. We've got NFP and all this coming out right now, so let's see what it gives us. I have my limit set. Let's see if the market gives us something. Doesn't look like it will. Looks like it's kind of already falling off, which sucks. But I'm not going to get into a trade right here. So I have my limit set. We'll see if it gives us an opportunity to enter up top. Alright, it's go time. Looks like it's coming up a bit. But it could fall off right here. Let's see what happens. Alright, I like this NASDAQ a little bit, but see what the news saying here. Better than expected on everything. Everything was better than expected, so it looks like it could push up on us right here. Whoa. Looks like it could be pushing up on us right here. Just looking at it. But let's see what happens. Yeah, it looks like it's coming up on us. Let me just get out of these trades right now. Let's see. I'm in the NAS right now. I took a loss on US30. Hit my stop. Let's see if NAS we could go ahead and get something right here. I got in just about right here on this wick, but it does look like it could come up. You know what? I think I'm gonna just get out. News is good. Looks like it wants to come up on us. Yeah. Thought maybe we could see a fall off, but it doesn't look like it necessarily wants to fall off right here. If it uses this as support, then I'm gonna just get out of the trade. Yeah, you can see it's kind of using these areas as support now. I mean, I like it. It just looks like maybe the news is just a little too good. Unemployment rate is at 3.5%. Yeah, it looks like it's building. See if we can hold this. Yeah, it looks like it's headed up. Damn. Yeah, you know what? It just looks like it's coming up on us. I gotta get out of this trade. You can see how it's headed up right now in the 5 minute. Damn. Yeah, that thing shot up. Wasn't expecting the news to be that good if I'm just being real. Let's see. The NASDAQ right here. Let's see if it goes. See if it breaks through right here. This is the moment of truth right here, right? We got the 15-minute right here on top. See if it can break through all of this shit. Ah, not what I wanted to see right here. Right? Not what I wanted to see. I just want to see it fall. If it doesn't fall right here, then I'm probably just going to pull it. I'm down 614 on the day. Basically took the L from yesterday, or the win from yesterday, and erased it. So I want to see if this thing can hit. Let's see if it can break through this moment of truth right here. Come on, break through that motherfucker, dog. Come on, dog. And if it comes up on us, I'm gonna be pissed. And it looks like it is. And it could be coming up top to this level. And now it looks more bullish. I was waiting for this 5 minutes or 15 minutes to finish. And I knew there was a chance it could finish bearish, but now it looks like it's going to finish bullish along with the 5 minute, right? So the 5 minute, we could see it matching back up right here, but I'd like to see it just fall, start slowly returning back, but I don't think that's going to happen now. Let me see this. Right here in the golden zone. Let's see if it falls off. I'd like to see it just completely reverse on us over the next minute and 30 seconds. Just completely fall. That would be the plan. And if it doesn't, then I think we're coming up, and I'm going to just exit the trade and take my out for the day. Yeah, it looks pretty bullish. See if this thing could flip, or if it's going to continue to use this as support and push up. See if it can fall off. Yeah, I think it's coming up on us, dogs. Damn, I was hoping this trade would hit today, but it's what it is. News is better than what I expected. Looks like it's headed up. Oh, maybe not. See if it can fall these next 10 seconds. Yeah, it looks pretty bullish now. Unless it falls off right here, I think it's coming up on us. Wow, yeah. Looks like that's where it's headed. I was up about 350 at one point, which would have took me down to about 300. If it doesn't use this as resistance right here, then I'm gonna just hop out the trade. See. Just keep falling, man. I like the respect that's kind of being shown here, but it still looks pretty bullish, which doesn't look great. See if we can hold this up and fall off. Not a lot of movement. Not a lot of movement. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go ahead and go our way. We could see it push up till 6:30, and then at 6:30, we could possibly see it push up to these levels up top, and then once that happens, then we could see the move down. I think that's a real possibility. Yeah, I do think that's a real possibility of it pushing up now, especially when we look at the hour and the 15-minute. It looks pretty bullish still. I mean, it's pretty indecisive here on the 15-minute, but I think we could see it rejecting the 30-minute, stacking up a little bit here. So unless we see like a real rejection right here, which I don't think we're seeing right now. I think we're just seeing it carry up now. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I think that's kind of the route that we're headed right now. Possibly up to that upside. And yeah. So I think I'm gonna close the trade right here. We'll just call it off. And then close the trade here, and then we'll wait for something up top right there. I think that's more a possibility of what's gonna happen than anything else. Probably for 6:30. So we'll see if that's what price is gonna give us right now. So kind of respecting, but it's still showing a real big push up. Unless we could see this thing turn real bearish right here, then I'm gonna like it, right? I like that. That's pretty bearish, but it has to break through the EMAs. There's a lot of things it has to break through before we could say, okay, yeah, this is it. And there's 30 more seconds, so it could completely flip on us and turn bullish on us still. So let's see. Hopefully we can get it to just keep falling off of this level, out of this level. Let's see. That gives me some confidence, but we're still not out of the woods because it's still on the blue 20 EMA right there, right? It gives me a little bit more confidence on possibly breaking below this level to the downside. But let's see what it gives us. See if we could turn bearish right here. That's what I'd prefer. See something on US30. Yeah, it does look like it's stacking. Oh yeah, look at that. It does look like it's stacking. Going a little bit higher and higher and higher. See if it could fall out. do like the trade. The only thing I don't like is that the EMAs are underneath us. So the one thing I don't like about this trade is everything's underneath us, which is making me think we're going to push up. It's using these levels as support way too much, so it feels like that's the route it's headed. Yeah, looks like it's pulling up. Thing is it's holding this area, right? And I know that, I can see that. And this area is getting respect right here for sure. We have so many rejections, and that's really the only reason, you know, a lot of rejections and a lot of engulfing candles. So that's really the only reason I'm still holding this trade. So you come up, reject, engulfing candle, come up, reject, engulfing candle, come up, reject, engulfing candle. So if we could continue this trend down, that'd be great, you know, so see what it gives us. Hopefully an opportunity to break through. Just fall off, buddy. Yeah, it looks like it's stacking. Stacking and macking up. If it just keeps wicking out and using this as support, then we know we gotta probably get out of this mother sucker. See if it can break through. This is all key right here, because if it doesn't break through, then we know there's a good chance it's going to continue up. Still 30 seconds left, so it can still make its way up, but let's see if we can engulf, finish through here. That'd be the best thing possible for us. It's an engulfment and finish through. Like in these next 5 minutes, if we could finish through here, like down to this level, then I know we're in better hands. But as of right now, it's kind of showing still that momentum to the upside, as you can see. Yeah. And it's crazy because we're right in the middle of this thing. Like a funky, we're in this funky like area right here. Got 6 AM coming up right now. Let's see. Yeah. Keeps matching everything. Yeah. What happened? This trade's just moving super slow right now, but I think I gotta get up out of this thing. Looks like it's carrying up to the upside. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You want me to mute it? You want me to mute it? You were gonna tell me something real freaky naughty? You can still tell me. You can see it's holding up right here. Crazy. Like super crazy. I don't know. Let's see if it breaks through. At least down to this EMA, give us a shot. Oh. Got a nice little ILC on the 1 minute right here with the EMA. So if it bounces off of this, then we know. Yeah. So there's so many obstacles we got to get through right here on this cell. We just got to see if we can actually get through them. Let's see how the 15 minutes finished. Still finished pretty bullish, right? The 5 minute finished good, but everything's basically still on top of the EMAs, right? So kind of sucks, but let's see if with this finish here, kind of engulfing that candle, maybe we could see this one, maybe tap, quick reject, and come down. Hopefully. Hopefully we see it fall off now. This one can just flow through down. That'd be great. Break through all of this. We could see a breakthrough. That'd be great. Oh. Is there anybody following me on here? See if it holds up. This is the moment of truth right here. See if this thing can hold up, fall off. Make sure this is all good. It basically is. Let's see if it can fall, man. That's what we need right here. You can see this thing turn this way. Oh, that didn't look that great right there. Yeah, it's back on top of the EMA. Yeah, doesn't look so great anymore. I mean, it's showing the respect, but it's just it's not doing what we need it to do, you know. So we're holding and see if it can fall off the way. I'm hopefully expecting it to. So we'll see. Hey, what's up, Siam? I see it. This is the trade that I have right here. Hopefully we could see it fall off right now, but not too sure at this point right now. I feel like we should just see a fall off, but what we could see is actual pump up to a higher high, higher low. So we'll see. Because it's still a higher low. I didn't break this low, right? So we could still see a push up from here. There it goes. Only reason I'm still in this trade is because it seems to be holding up, but now gave us a little hope, but now it's springboarding itself back up out of here, possibly up to where we set up top, which is this level up here. I think it's a real possibility. Um, so we just got to see what's what. Hmm. It's moving so slow. Shit, maybe this is a bad time to trade. You can see how it's using this as support, right? See that here. And you can also see on the 1 minute how we're using the 1 minute 20 EMA as support. Man, it's not breaking through like I really hoped. It's respecting it. It's not breaking through it. 5 minute looks like it's headed up. Even though it's still respecting, it's not really. See, what I feel like what's forming right here might just be dumb. Let me see something actually. I kind of feel like maybe there's a diminished inherent pennant forming right here, right? This little area, you could see it kind of fall off like this, but it's also doing this, right? It's breaking through that too, though. Right about there. So I'm kind of breaking through it. Retest and push up. Yeah, I think I could see that now. Yeah, it looks like it wants to break through this now. Alright, looks like it's headed to that next zone. Man, I was hoping by 6:30 we'd probably see staying in the zone, respecting it, doing all that good stuff, and then fall off. But I think what we're gonna see at 6:30 is the push up, then a fall down, and then a continued push up. It just looks like it's headed that route. Is today a bank holiday? What holiday is it? No way. The market's closed? Ah, that sucks. I can't even close my trade. Wow. That left a sour ass taste in my mouth. Oh, seen what happened here. I did not even know today was a holiday. So it's just completely closed? Damn. I gotta wait until Sunday now. Wow.